I laid out a little bit of how I would initially diagram this one. I don't love diagramming the word most, but I threw it in there just to be thorough. You'll also notice I put the word or in the first sentence. That's because they're saying that all coffee houses and restaurants are public places, but each one alone is sufficient to be a public place. You don't need to be both of them simultaneously to be a public place. So it's really saying that each one alone is a public place and falls within that category. And then they say, if it's uncomfortable, it's not well designed. So if it's not a comfortable public place, then it is not a well-designed public place. You could add on PP if you want. Finally, all comfortable public places have spacious interiors. So if it is comfortable, then spacious interior. Now, like I said, the word most, you probably can't do a whole lot with that unless you could link art in some way. And we see there's no other art on this diagram, so I would disregard number 2 for now. But what can we link? What links smoothly here?
3 and 4. Exactly.
They both involve comfortable public place, but one's negative, one's positive. How do we deal with that? Exactly, contrapositive. So I'm going to take the contrapositive of number 3 just to end up with a positive result, which is usually nicer to have. So they're both negative, and WD's at the end. Now it'll be positive and at the beginning. CPP's at the beginning and negative. Now it'll be positive and at the end. So we have common variables here with the same truth value. They're both positive. So we can link those to say WD, then comfortable, then spacious interior. So I would initially be looking for WD to SI, well-designed, then spacious interior. That would be my first step here. And we don't see anything outright saying simply that, but we do see something pretty close. Which choice best fits the prephrase? Exactly, D. D just added in coffee house or restaurant. Notice how they use the word or in D, just like I did up here. And of course, those are both public places, and so we can easily say well-designed public place is the same as well-designed C or R. Really, C or R is within public place. So this is inferable, although of course it's not exclusive to just coffee houses and restaurants. There could be other kinds of public places as well. But again, with inference questions, they're testing our ability to take the contrapositive and to link things together. Any questions on this one?
I was stuck between D and E.
Okay, so E, spacious interior, well-designed.
And then because it's a coffee house, it is a public place.
So I guess you could put, I should add coffee house. Any coffee house that has a spacious interior is well-designed public place.
No, I guess I meant for like the second part of E. So like both of those parts logically made sense to me. So I felt like it wasn't right, but I couldn't figure out why, because both of those were true. Like well-designed and spacious interior go together, coffee house and public place go together. So I couldn't find the problem in it, I guess.
So sufficient is necessary.
Okay.
Like the last sentence is all comfortable public places have spacious interiors. It doesn't mean that all things with spacious interiors are comfortable public places. So what the answer is saying is something that has a spacious interior is well designed. Right? It's like taking what we have up there and like going the wrong way.
E is going the wrong way.
Yeah, if you summarize this, it's just saying WD then SI. This is saying SI then WD. So it's a mistaken reversal. No, sure, that was a great explanation, Jacob. So I think what's missing from E is that it's comfortable. Because we do know that all coffee houses are public places, but how do we know that it's comfortable at the outset? We don't. That's missing from E. But aside from that, it is, of course, a mistaken reversal confusing necessary and sufficient conditions.